This one you just start with sell the bid.
So I'm probably a little too late on this one, right?
Um, Possibly. Oh, I just got in myself.
I think for me, I was just super like scared to like my personality is kind of like I want to like perfect something before like I actually execute. But then like I realized that's probably not the best approach for this. So just trying to
Yeah, with this, it's tricky
try to
because
like yeah.
what I've noticed is like you kind of just have to like drag in the mud a little bit and then
Hmm.
you get it eventually. But like the beginning just sucks for most people, is what it seems like.
Yeah. Yeah. Uh, yeah.
But yeah, you're
Okay.
fine.
So for like in this situation where we're like shorting, you said we buy the ask first.
So if we're shorting, then we would sell the bid because basically what shorting is you're borrowing shares from someone else and then
Oh yeah.
you're selling them. And then when like the price is lower, you're buying them back and then giving them back to the person you borrowed it from, if that makes sense. If you wanted to, you could actually do the take profit stop loss thing right here and you'd get the same price that I got in at. You'd actually get like a better price.
Okay. So I would sell the bid, right? That's
Yep, you
is
would
that the
just,
first thing I do?
well, you make sure that your order template is set up correctly, but yeah.
Okay. We do TRG with 3 brackets, right? And then
Yep.
okay, and the stop loss is 3.5% for all of them.
Yep. And then make
Okay,
sure the
and then
quantity is
click
set.
sell the bid.
Yeah, as
Oh
long
yeah,
as,
quantity 100 ish,
yeah. Oh man,
and then
I don't know if you noticed, but the stock just like tanked. I wish that you
yeah,
had gotten
yeah,
in. It's okay because you're only doing like $10 or whatever. So yeah, just click
yeah.
sell the bid now and then send me a
Okay.
photo of your chart and let's take a look. But yeah, unfortunately, if you had done it like 10 seconds ago, it would have been better, but
Uh-huh.
it's okay though.
Okay. Send. Okay. All right, I am in. I don't know what up.
Nice. You did it though. Send me a photo real quick.
Okay. Can I just like FaceTime you and like
Yeah.
show you my screen?
Yeah, that's fine.
Okay. Sorry. Yeah. So this is what it's kind of looking like.
Yeah. Also, if you notice, like the 1540 level, it like keeps bouncing at that area. Do you kind of see what I mean?
Yeah,
So
I am
that's
seeing
like
that.
so that's like a support level. So what we want to see is it like break down below that and that'll show us that it's going to like sell off more. And then on the upper end, you can kind of see the same thing where like at like 15.6, it like keeps hitting that level and then selling off again.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
that's like a resistance. And so
Yeah.
anytime it goes up there, you can
It's
basically
gonna go
think of
back
it.
down.
Well, not necessarily, but um, sellers like kind of just run out, or sorry, buyers just kind of like run out at that level. People don't want to buy that high, so then the selling pressure kicks
Oh,
in. And then at the
gotcha.
bottom here, like typically buyers come in because the price is lower and more attractive.
Yeah.
But if the buyers like run out and then the price breaks below, then we should be looking good.
Oh, it's starting to dip.
Yep. Yep. Let's see if it can keep going. Especially if it gets below like that exact low, like that previous low, 15.3.
Yeah.
That would be great.
Oh, there we go.
Okay, okay, okay.
Okay.
All right,
You know
my
what?
first take profit just hit, so that's sweet.
Oh, sick. I think I just. Oh, nice.
Okay, good.
Cool.
I just heard that go again. Yep.
Yeah.
Cool. And I think you just made like $15 or something, right?
I made 18.
There we go. Cool. And so you were
How is that possible? I'm like so like confused. I'm so confused. Like,
that is
how
pretty
did I
funny.
make 18 after like I canceled and like messed up 100 and then made profits on 10? Like I'm so confused by that.
That is pretty funny. I mean,
I like
it's a good trade. It ended up kind of like panning out so far.
yeah. I think I just need more time to just like sit down with you and just like talk about like this. I just need to like just keep going.
Yep.
do this.
Yeah, that makes sense. Yeah, I'm down to just like next time we have even an experimental trade, we can just do this again if you
Yeah.
want.
Okay. Yes. 100%.
Cool.
Like that. Yeah, that was extremely helpful. Okay.
Very good.
But could you just like really quick, like I know it's like 4 a.m. there, but like could you just really quick like explain what causes like a gap up? Like why, like a stock price closes at this price, and then the next day, why does it just like shoot up? Like
Yeah, it's a good question.
is that because like pending orders or something? Like
Fundamentally, what's happening is there's like an increase of demand from the previous day, so it opens higher.
uh-huh.
This trade like wasn't even that good to begin with, but people got so excited. So I call it like undeserved excitement.
Yeah. So it's like only naturally going to go back down because it shouldn't be up there.
Exactly, yeah. And so like
Okay.
all the people pre-market where they somewhat know the strategy like of insider buying, but they're just rushing into these bad opportunities. And then it makes
I
it like
see.
attractive to short for us.
Yeah. Okay, that makes sense. Because like I know like a lot of the trades we do, like you always mention like it's contingent on like how far it gaps up.
Yep. On like a long trade, we just want to make sure that it gaps up no more than 100% ATR.
Because if it gaps up when we're like doing that, that's like less profit we're able to take because it already like pushed up,
Exactly.
right?
Yep.
Okay, that makes sense.
Typically, like they peak out at like 150% ATR, so we don't want to be buying like too high. And then also, if the stock, like let's say it's a conservative like long strategy or trade, but then it opens at like 250% ATR, which did happen recently, then even that
Yeah.
one you could short and bring it back down. Because
Yeah,
that
I mean
one opens
we would 100% want to like short a 200% ATR, right? Like
Exactly,
if it like
yeah.
shoots up to 200% because like that's like absurdly high, so it's like only natural that it's gonna go back down, right?
Exactly,
So like
yeah.
that's like an opportunity we would for sure wanna short.
Exactly. Even if we originally wanted to buy it, if it opened too high, like yeah, we'd probably want to short it instead at that point. And that's what we did.
Gotcha.
If in Discord, you can go to if you just search for HPK, like I think it was. We originally wanted to go long on it, but then it opened at like 176% ATR and then ended up going to like 220 just like a second later. Or maybe it was Hain stock, HAIN. But those were two examples where you could short it and instead of buying it, and then both of them made money.
I see. That makes sense. Thank you so much. I don't want to take up too much time. That was super helpful. Definitely
yeah.
learned a lot. Made a lot of progress today. So thank you
shit.
so much, Steven.
Yep.
Appreciate it, man.
Good
Have a
work.
good night.
Thank you. Have a good rest of your day.
All right, man. I'll see you.
Peace.
Peace.